What if I told you that one simple kitchen ingredient could eliminate foot odor, erase dry, cracked heels, and make your tired, swollen feet feel brand new in just 15 minutes? You probably walk right past it every day in your pantry. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, your feet will thank you. Hello, friends. Today I'm sharing a game-changing foot care secret that honestly shocked me with how well it works. All you need is baking soda and warm water. Trust me, once you try this, it'll become your go-to remedy for tired, rough feet. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Grab a basin and pour in about 2 liters of warm water. Make sure it's comfortable, not too hot. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Give it a quick stir until the baking soda dissolves. Now comes the easy part. Soak your feet in this solution for 15 minutes. You can scroll through your phone, read a book, or just relax. While you're soaking, the baking soda is working magic on multiple levels. First, it's naturally softening all that rough, calloused skin. The alkaline properties break down dead skin cells, making them easier to remove later. Second, if you have any micro cracks or irritation on your feet, the baking soda is actively reducing that inflammation. It's incredibly soothing. But here's what really impressed me. Baking soda has natural antiseptic properties. It's literally cleansing your skin and reducing the bacteria that cause foot odor. So if you struggle with sweaty, smelly feet, especially after long days in shoes, doing these baths regularly will reduce sweating and eliminate that embarrassing odor completely. And if you're someone who's on their feet all day and comes home with swollen, aching legs, this bath relieves fatigue and reduces inflammation almost immediately. Now, if you have really rough heels or deep cracks, I have an extra step for you. Mix a small amount of baking soda with just enough warm water to create a thick paste. Take this paste and gently scrub it on all the rough areas, your heels, the balls of your feet, anywhere that feels tough or cracked. The combination of the soaking and this gentle scrub works wonders. After the bath, your skin will be so soft that you can easily remove the dead skin, and those cracks will visibly reduce. Do this regularly, and I promise you'll completely forget what dry, cracked heels even feel like. After your 15 minutes are up, rinse your feet with clean water and dry them thoroughly with a towel, especially between your toes. This last step is crucial. Apply your favorite moisturizing foot cream while your skin is still slightly damp. This locks in all the benefits and keeps your feet baby soft. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of foot baths you do and what results you've seen. And if you try this baking soda method, let me know how it works for you. If you found this helpful, please show some love with a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple, effective home remedies like this one. So there you have it, friends. Regular baking soda foot baths will help you say goodbye to tired legs, foot odor, dry heels, rough skin, calluses, and cracks. It's simple, it's affordable, and it actually works. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on the benefits of an Epsom salt foot bath.